To turn on your refrigerator, press the special modes button for 3 seconds. To turn it off, press the button for 3 seconds again. If you press this button once, the shopping mode will be activated. In this mode, the refrigerator and freezer will start a quick cooling system so you can fill them with groceries. This option will turn off automatically after 6 hours. If you press the special modes button again, the cleaning mode will be activated. In this mode, the refrigerator will turn off during 15 minutes so you can clean the interior. After 15 minutes, it will turn on automatically. Press the special modes button again to turn on the vacation mode. This will turn on an energy saver system. If you want to turn it off, press the special modes button again. If you want to block the buttons of the panel, press the button alarm for 3 seconds. To unblock the buttons, press alarm again for 3 seconds. The alarm light will turn on when any door is opened. If you listen to this sound, it means that the door has been open for more than 5 minutes. With the fridge temp button, you can change the temperature of the refrigerator. With the freezer temp button, you can change the temperature of the freezer. If you press these two buttons for 3 seconds, you can change the measurement units from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Use the cooling modes button to activate the quick cooling options. If you want to activate a quick cooling mode in the refrigerator, select the fast cool option. To activate the quick cooling mode in the freezer, select the fast ice option. If you select the fast drink option, a quick cooling system will start in the freezer. Place your drink in the upper drawer of the freezer so it can be cooled for immediate use. This option will turn off automatically after 30 minutes. Press the button cooling modes for 3 seconds to activate the hibernation in the refrigerator. To turn off this mode, press again the button for 3 seconds. Then the refrigerator will work as usual.